Hello, team and family. This is WA number 7, question 8. Which expression has a value of 39? So for this one, we just have to start solving them. I put in like the subtraction, the addition signs because they didn't show up in the answer choices. So the first one was 24 times 2 minus 8 plus 4 squared divided by 8 minus 6. So first thing I need to do, if I do my order of operations, if I follow PEMDAS, first thing I need to do is parentheses, but there's no parentheses. So then I do exponents. I do 4 to the second power. So my answer for that is 4 times 4, which is 16, and then I just drop down the rest. Next, I do exponents or parentheses first. There's no parentheses. Exponents next. There's no exponents. Multiplying and dividing from left to right, I multiply 24 times 2, which is 48. So now I have 48 minus 8 plus 16 divided by 8 minus 6. Next, multiplying and dividing, I've got dividing. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So now I have 48 minus 8 plus 2 minus 6. On adding and subtracting, I go from left to right. So I'll start with 48 minus 8, which is 40. 40 plus 2 minus 6. 40 plus 2 is 42. 42 minus 6 is 36. So I'm looking for one that has a value of 39. So it looks like answer choice A is incorrect because the value of that is 36. So now I'm going to try the next one. 24 times 2 minus 8 plus 4 squared divided by 8 minus 6. So step 1, parentheses, 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring down the rest. 24 times 2 minus 8 plus 4 squared divided by 2. Next is exponents. 4 squared. 24 times 2 minus 8 plus 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. 16 divided by 2. Next, I do multiplying and dividing, but I go from left to right. So I do 24 times 2, which is 48. 48 minus 8 plus 16 divided by 2. Next, I do dividing, because that comes before adding and subtracting. 16 divided by 2 gets me 8. So now I have 48 minus 8 plus 8. When I'm adding or subtracting, I go left to right. 48 minus 8 is 40. And then my last step, I just needed to add 40 plus 8, which is 48. I was looking for 39, so my answer is not B. I'm going to go ahead and erase this top one. I'm going to solve the next one. So the next one is 24 times 2 plus 8 plus 4 squared divided by 8 minus 6. First thing I do is parentheses. 24 times 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 4 squared divided by 8 minus 6. Next step, exponents. Underline 4 squared. I've got 24 times 10 plus 4 to the second power is 4 times 4, which is 16. 16 divided by 8 minus 6. 16 divided by 8. And then I've got multiplying and dividing, so I need to go from left to right. So I'll do 24 times 10. 24 times 10 is 240, plus 16 divided by 8 minus 6. 16 divided by 8 is 2. I do division before adding and subtracting. Bring down 240 plus 2 minus 6. Next, I do 240 plus 2, because I go adding and subtracting left to right. 240 plus 2 is 242, and 242 minus 6 is 236. I'm looking for 39, so it's not answer choice C. And I'm going to go ahead and solve this last one just to double check to make sure that I did it right. But I should get 39 for the last answer choice if I've done everything else correctly. So 24 times 2 minus parentheses 8 plus 4 squared close parentheses, divided by 8 minus 6. First we do what's in parentheses, and we do exponents before adding, because that comes first. So now I've got 24 times 2 minus 8 plus 4 times 4 is 16, divided by 8 minus 6. Next step, we do what's in parentheses. Again, 8 plus 16 is 24. So I bring down everything else. 24 times 2 minus 24, divided by 8 minus 6. Next step, we multiply and divide, but we go from left to right. So 24 times 2 is 48. 48 minus 24 divided by 8 minus 6. Next step, subtracting and dividing. I'm going to divide before I add or subtract. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 48 minus 3 minus 6. Next I subtract and go left to right. 48 minus 3 is 45. And then 45 minus 6 equals 39. So my answer is, in fact, choice D, because that gets me 39 when I solve it using the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS.